Aventik sent me this super cool large, well, it's not a large arbor, it's basically a reel. It's for center pin fishing. But I figured I've always wanted a large arbor fly reel, and I've always wanted a multiplier. And this is not a multiplier, but it's so big, it'll be like a multiplier. So I'm just gonna fly fish with it. And I'm excited. It's got a cool clicking noise. You know, CNC, it's just super clean, and it's a very nice reel. It's machined. It's got a clicker both ways. I'm not familiar with these kind of reels, but I already like it. Threw some running line on there, my favorite Scandi line. I'm gonna go try to swing up a red side. Well, it's a slow day fishing, but I sure still like this reel. And the beauty of these reels is you can turn the clicker off and free spool it. So if I want to cast, out. Okay, I'm at the end now. I mend up. I just hit this right there, and it free spools. Takes it downstream as far as I want. Okay. That is very sweet. It's a center pin reel, but I've enjoyed using it today on my fly outfit. Really nice.